Green computing is all about using technology in a way that's better for the environment. That means less energy waste, smarter hardware choices, and fewer old devices ending up in landfills. And the bonus? It can actually save your business money. First, start with energy-efficient hardware. Newer computers and servers use less power without sacrificing performance. Next, virtualization and cloud computing. Instead of running everything on a bunch of machines in your office, cloud platforms let you do more with less. They're often powered by renewable energy, too. Don't forget about power management. Just putting devices to sleep or shutting them off overnight makes a big difference. And when it comes to old equipment, recycle it properly. There are great programs out there that handle it safely and responsibly. Even your software matters. Apps that are lightweight and well-coded use fewer resources. And clean code means your systems don't have to work as hard. Your people matter too. When employees know how to use tech sustainably and when to power things down, it adds up fast. Remote work also helps. Fewer commutes mean fewer emissions. Green computing is the way forward if you want to shrink your carbon footprint and your IT costs. At EverConnect, we make it easy to build a more sustainable, efficient IT setup for your business. Ready to get started? Let's chat about how we can help you go green without the guesswork. Reach out today. We're here to help.